Are you tired even after 8 hours of sleep? You might be making the same mistake 90% of people do every single night, and it's silently ruining your energy, focus, and health. Today, I'll show you how to fix it fast. Sleep isn't just rest. It's your body's secret repair system, but most people unknowingly sabotage their own sleep. The result? Groggy mornings, poor focus, and even long-term health issues. Today, we'll uncover the biggest sleep mistakes and exactly how to fix them fast. Mistake number 1, using screens right before bed. Blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. This suppresses melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. Solution? Power down electronics at least 1 hour before bed. If you must use devices, consider blue light blocking glasses or apps that reduce screen glare. Mistake number 2, inconsistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at different times confuses your body's internal clock. Even weekends matter. Fix it by setting a consistent sleep and wake schedule. Your body will naturally feel sleepy at the right time. Mistake number 3, eating or drinking too late. Heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime disrupt your sleep cycles. Try to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Herbal teas or warm water can help relax your body instead. Mistake number 4, poor sleep environment. A noisy, bright, or uncomfortable bedroom can sabotage deep sleep. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a good mattress and pillow. Your body will thank you. Mistake number 5, ignoring stress and overthinking. Mental clutter keeps your brain awake even if your body is tired. Quick fixes, journaling, deep breathing, or a short meditation before bed. Even 5 to 10 minutes can make a huge difference. Finally, I will say this. Fixing just one of these mistakes tonight can dramatically improve your sleep. Start small, be consistent, and watch your energy, focus, and mood transform in just days. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, share it with someone struggling to sleep, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Thank you very much for watching the full video.